a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a dream room. Well, my husband's so sweet. He tells me that I sing beautifully. But the first husband told me that I sing heinously. True story. 3 loves and fabulous. Done. That's me. Hi. I'm Amy Studebaker, interior designer, entrepreneur, and expert dreamer. Everything I've achieved has been the product of high speed, let's go, and big vision. You're very brave. I'm on a mission to take the dreams you have for your home and turn them into reality. I like it so much. I'll be showing up when you least expect it. When it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day. Oh my gosh! This is Dream Room in a Day. Love St. Louis. I love the activities that are available, the homes, the architecture. I think that it's so family oriented, which is fabulous. You never know what is behind a home, what's hiding around a corner, and just all the charm. It's fantastic. Such a gorgeous day for a dream room. Today, I'm paying my good friends Marlo and Milena a visit. They have the cutest family. I've known Marlo since I was 10 years old, and they've lived in their house for a few years now, but they're still getting settled in and trying to tackle one room at a time. One of their daughters, Amaya, has been patiently asking to make some big girl changes to her room, and that's where I come in. They are going to be so surprised to see me. I can't wait. I am at the Valdeabellas. They are out having a picnic right now, and I am so excited. I'm about ready to go surprise them to give them a dream room in a day.
Is that Amy?
Hey guys!
Oh my gosh, Amy!
What are you doing here?
Well, I came here to give you guys a dream room in a day. What do you think?
What?
That sounds like a great idea, but would you like to join us for a little picnic first?
Oh, no. Dream room in a day. We gotta go.
We are the Valdeabellas, and we are getting a dream room in a day.
I thought it was today.
Amaya, what did you say? What was it?
We are or were?
Weird.
Weird?
No, that's just awkward.
We are, you guys, I'm so confused.
Wah, wah, wah.
One more time and then if we get it wrong, then I'm done.
Okay, that's good to know.
We are getting a dream room in a day.
I feel like I'm going in circles. I love a good picnic, but if we're going to get this room done in a day, we've got to get started right now.
I'm so excited. This is going to be super fun. I just can't wait.
Oh, Amaya, she's my first daughter, and she really is the sweetest, heart of gold, kind, loving, beautiful girl.
Nothing like this has really ever happened to me, and I'm just super excited.
I just feel so blessed she's mine.
All right, Amaya, I've seen some kids' rooms in my day, and they tend to be scary. What is yours like?
I mean, I wouldn't say there's anything scary behind this door, but I'm very excited for today.
I'm excited too. Why don't you take me in there? Let's see. Okay, so Amaya, this is your space.
Right now, my room is really nice, but I think it could be turned out to be a little better. It's a little plain, and I would just like it to be more original, like me.
Stop! You didn't tell me you had a chair. Like a whole swinging thing from the ceiling. How cool is that?
It's really cool. I like to do a lot of things in it.
I totally dig it. The chair is so stinking cute. I would have loved to have that as a 10-year-old.
The hardest part about being the oldest sister is that they're always coming into my room asking for something, and also having a swinging chair, they won't ever get off of it. Best part about being an older sister is that I get to tell them what to do.
She has a fun space right now. Elements of fun. She has elements of fun right now, but really it's not growing with her. It's just kind of stuck in this one spot. And so I'm excited to really kind of bring it to this space where she can grow with it and it can just follow her for a long period of time. So Amaya, I'm noticing some things about your space, but I would really like to hear from you. What makes you happy about the space that you have in here right now?
I like how I keep my trophies like just set out on my vanity right there.
Okay, so what do you have the trophies for?
The big one in the middle, gymnastics, and the rest of them are gymnastics too, and one of them is for softball.
You do all of that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're a busy bee. So tell me about your favorite colors. What do you love?
I really like yellow, like blue and teal, and I also like a little bit of pink.
Okay, those are some fun colors. I mean, I see some of that pink and teal in here.
Yes.
And now yellow's not one that I see on the wall or anywhere in the room.
It's recently changed to yellow, like I've just gotten this different like feel for it. Yellow gave me vibes, happy vibes.
You know, I remember when I was your age, I was changing with my colors too. I really love a room that can grow with you. How do we feel about something like that and start incorporating new things for you?
Amy knows exactly what I want before I even say it. Yes, I would really like that.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, well, I've got some ideas that I think are going to be perfect for what you would really like.
Okay, I'm excited.
Me too. It'll be really good. Oh my gosh, that Amaya, she is so darling.
I'm super excited for Amy to redo my room, and I'm just excited to see the outcome.
When designing a space, I love adding texture. So for inspiration, I turned to ATI decorative laminates. They have a variety of products available that are easily applied right to your wall or ceiling. But for this project in particular, I'm focusing on their MiraFlex line. I'm also enlisting the help of my crew, but the textures are really easy to install, perfect for any DIYer. For Amaya's room, I wanted something playful and youthful that accented her personality, but also something that could grow with her. I don't normally believe in accent walls because I think they can come off as tacky, but adding texture to one wall in particular creates a focal point, dimension, and a soft, welcoming space with interest. For this project, I selected the Audrey pattern, and I think it's going to be absolutely perfect. I'm so excited with the MiraFlex that we selected. I think that it's going to be great for her room. It's a bold pattern that's fit very well for a 10-year-old, nice scale and a floral pattern. On top of it, it is a nice finish that allows for a paint. So we're going to paint it in that beautiful yellow, and it's really going to stand out and be customized for her space. All right, we're right in the middle of renovating Amaya's room right now, and now is a great time for you all to come in because I wanted to show you how easy it is to apply this paint to the MiraFlex. Very easy. It goes right on with the paintbrush and accepts that paint beautifully. I think it's going to be fantastic in Amaya's room, and she's really going to love it. I cannot wait for you all to see it. As the oldest daughter, Amaya spends so much time taking care of her siblings that there isn't much left for her to take care of herself. I can't wait to give her the space she needs and truly deserves. I rarely get to work with yellow paint and had such a great time selecting a soft and subtle hue for Amaya's room. Yellow is a welcoming color which will brighten up any young girl's space and grow with her well into her teenage years. Using subtle colors throughout a space are important when designing kids' rooms because their tastes can change from day to day, so you want pieces that are classic but flexible in tone. A new comforter, side table lamps, and some simple rearranging will make for a totally transformed space for beautiful Amaya. She is going to think it's absolutely fabulous. All right, Amaya, last time we were here, you and I had discussed that you wanted a room that could grow with you. Are you ready to see your room?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
There it is. Are you ready to see your dream room in a day?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
No. Is this my room? cool. Right when I walked in my room, I was like, the color yellow, perfect, this is my room. I really like the different color of the chandelier. The new bedspread. Really like that flower pattern. I like it. All of it. I don't know what to say. I'm so excited. I can't believe this is my room. Amy did such a great job in turning my room into a dream room.
All right, Amaya, are we ready to have your parents come in?
Yes.
All right. Mom, Dad, can you guys come on in?
Oh my! This looks so cool!
It looks awesome!
This is unbelievable.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Wow.
This like totally matches your personality.
It is.
All right, Amaya, now that we're in here, what do you think?
I feel like this fits exactly what I explained to you, and I'm very happy with the results.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. I love it. I just love this color, Amaya. I feel like it's such a reflection of your personality. I also would have loved to have grown up in this room myself.
I will. I think I will. I love it. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. It was so much fun.
Thank you, Amy, so much for turning my room into a dream room.
Working with Amaya today was so much fun. I really enjoyed her space. She had such a bright little personality that we really needed to bring, and I think we nailed it. I cannot wait now for the next dream room in a day.